Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are diving into an eco-friendly, budget smart and creative fun topic: home and garden decor ideas using recycled tires. Did you know that millions of tires are thrown away every year and most end up in landfills? But with just a little creativity, these tires can be transformed into beautiful and practical pieces for your home and gardens. From stylish furniture to playful garden furnitures, we will show you 10 creative ways to reuse old tires. Let's get started. Tire coffee tables. One of the easiest and most popular idea is turning a tire into a coffee table. Wrap the tire with just rope and paint it with your favorite color. Place a round glass or wooden top over it, and there you have it, a rusting, trendy and table that's why perfect for your living room or balcony. Tire ottoman or footstool. Take a tire, cover it in fabric or braided rope, added a soft cushions on top and attach small wooden legs underneath. You have just made a stylish ottoman that doubles as extra seating or a footrest. Well mounted tire shelves. Cut a tire in half or leaves it whole and mount it on a wall. Place wooden planks inside to create small shelves. You can use it to store books, plants, or little decorative pieces. Ideal hallways or kids' rooms. Tire mirror frame. Use the round shape of a tire as a creative frame for a mirror. Paint the tire gold, silver, or white for a modern or vintage look. Hang it in your entry wall or bottom to make a bold statement. Tire beds. Clean an old tire, paint it in a fun colors and place a fluffy cushions inside, and just like that you have an adorable pet bed your dog or cat love. You can even personalize it by painting your pet's name on the front. Tire planters. Old tires make excellent planters. Paint them in bright, cheerful colors. Fill them with soil and grow flowers and herbs. You can place them flat on the ground, stack them, or hang them vertically to create a beautiful vertical garden. Outdoor garden stools. Make weather resistant stools using tires. Wraps them in rope or colorful outdoor fabrics. Add cushions on top and they are ready to go. Great for patio sitting, kids plays areas, or fire pit gatherings. Tire swing. A classy idea that brings out the child in everyone. Simply paint a tire, attach strong ropes, and hang it from a sturdy tree. It's fun for kids and a nostalgic joy for adults. Raise garden beds, stacks, or tree tires and fill them with soil to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers. These raised beds are especially useful for people with limited space or mobility issues. Tire sculpture or garden art. If you are into art and crafts, you will love this one. Stack and cut tires into creative shape like swans, frogs, peacocks, even dragon. Paints them with outdoor paints and place them around your gardens for a handmade look. As you can see, recycling old tires can be fun, artist, and useful, from cozy homes pieces to imaginative garden art. The possibilities are endless. Not only do these projects add personality and charm to your living space, but they also reduce environmental waste. So the next time you can come across on an old tire, don't throw it away. Transform it into something beautiful and unique. If you found these videos ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative content, and share your favorite idea in the comment. Thanks for watching and happy upcycling. Thank you. Bye bye.